Hi everyone and welcome back. I wanted to come out today to test my DJI Nano, which I'm filming on now. I want to test it with the magnetic pendant and make sure when I walk it's all straight, it's all level, all that sort of stuff. So I've come down today to this shopping centre not far from my place. I'm going to take a few laps around inside and record with it, see how steady it is, see how straight it is. And yeah, just test it. So I'll get it all set up and I'll head inside and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's go inside and we'll have a look. We've got a trip coming up to Vietnam in probably about a month's time. I plan on taking this with me and walking through the markets and walking through different places and just checking to see how it would look when we get there. I'd hate to get there and then just realise it just doesn't work. The shopping centre is a bit dark in here today, so I'll have to see how the video is when we're finished. And I'll just walk along here for a while, and what I'll do is I'll stop and check the video, and if it's not very straight, if it's not level, I'll have to use the magnetic hat clip, which is adjustable, and see if I can get it straight on. It's very busy in here today. I don't know what's going on. There's a lot of people in here. And I'll see if I can find a seat somewhere up here. I'll check how straight it is. I'll just go over here, I'll check it over here. Okay, so I'm back outside. Just walked in from the shopping centre, or walked out from the shopping centre I should say. Just wondering how it's going to go. When I get home I'll check it, get it on my tablet, and I've just recorded in 10-bit, so I haven't used the D-Log M at all, so when I get home we'll see how it is. It should look fine I think. Anyway, I'm just going to walk home now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks very much. See you later.